Good morning, honey.
Hi.
What's that? Oh, you're kidding. Oh, is that my Valentine's present?
Yes, honey. You've been asking
my
me for one.
goodness. Oh, I am so excited. It's a Roomba robot. Wow. Oh, am I ever happy? Oh, that's what I wished for a long time. Where did you get it?
Canadian Tire. It was on sale for $200 off the regular price.
You're kidding.
It was regular $500 for only $300.
You're kidding.
No.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, honey. I love you so much. And I'm going to open it in a few minutes. So here it is. And I'm going to open it. Let me see. I guess I have to break the seal here on the top. Okay. So, let me see. I gotta lay it down. See what it looks like. Oh my gosh. So everyone, this is what it looks like, and here are the instructions. So I'm gonna have to read these instructions before I use the new robot. And yeah, so take it out of the box here. It's wrapped up really well. And oops, I'll go this way. And I guess this is where the robot launches and reloads energy. And here's the cord. So, okay, this first piece of paper is showing you what to do, how to plug it in, how to put the robot to the station. And I'm going to read these instructions, there's a warranty, and get back to you. So I read the instructions. It takes 3 hours to load up and be ready the first time you use it. I'm going to try. Oh man, this is tight. Try to open this up. There. And look at it. Boy, I'm having a hard time trying to get it out of this bag. I guess you're supposed to open the other side. So, this is what it looks like. The instructions say to pull this yellow tab. Oh, it's a little tight. So I finally got it out. So this must be for the corners, and there's a decent brush. So I'm going to plug it in for 3 hours and try it out and show you how it works. So I plugged in the robot, made a little noise, and lights went on. And I'm gonna let it load for 3 hours. So I just put it on the carpet in my bedroom, and I'm going to press clean, and look at it go. Oh my gosh. Wow. I hope it does more than just circles. I wonder if it's going to go under the bed. Oh, he's going in the closet. Oh. Is this interesting or what? Wow. Well, guys, this is the closet. Oh, it's coming back out. So it's trying to figure things out here. Ah! This is so cool. Well, I'm going to continue watching it because this is new to me. Where is it in the corner? Is it going to go behind the door? Oh. Are you going to go behind the door? I should give this robot a name. Oh, oh, oh. Don't run me over. Here she comes out of the closet. I think I'm going to call her Maggie. Oh, Maggie's hard at work here. I want to see what she does in the next corner. This is amazing. The technology today is beyond me. So far it looks like it's working pretty good. Carpet is starting to get clean here. Not that the carpet's dirty, just dusty. Is it going to go under the bed? Oh! Not quite yet. Hey Maggie, don't forget all the corners. Are you going under the bed? Is it going under the bed? Oh, there she goes. Where's she gonna come out? Oh, look at that, coming out the other side. Did a good job, Maggie. Let's see if she goes back under the bed. This is so funny. Oh, there she comes. Now that the carpet's clean, I'm looking out the window and seeing all this snow. I hope Wyerton Willie is right and we have an early spring. So thank you for watching my video today, and please join me again in the next video.